I've never been one for want when it comes to laptops. It has always been the need that drives me to which one I would rather get. As a casual gamer, I contemplated on getting a gaming laptop, but I thought, what do I really need a laptop for? Well, for work, productivity. Well, in that case, a gaming laptop for me would not be the best choice. And the final decision is this. The new MacBook Pro 13 with the new M1 chip. Hi, my name is Yo, and today we'll be unboxing the MacBook Pro 13 with the new M1 chip. Talk a bit about the specs, a bit about the M1 chip, first use feels, just for you, if you're planning to get this thing of beauty. Oh, just a quick, this is not a sponsored video, yet. And if you haven't, please hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, let's get started. So, this is the base model, the MacBook Pro 13. It comes with 8 gigs of memory and 256 gigs of SSD. You can actually opt to get higher memory or SSD if you want. And it comes with the 13.3-inch Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology, 2560 by 1600 pixels, 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports, headphone jack, stereo speakers, touch bar and touch ID, full-size backlit Magic Keyboard, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, FaceTime HD camera, Mac OS, and this is about 3 pounds, 1.4 kilograms. That's amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Packaging, as usual, looks very nice, very premium. Great job, Apple, no complaints there. All right, there you go. So inside the box, we are greeted with, here it is, the MacBook Pro. We have some paperwork. And of course, I assume we have the Apple sticker here somewhere. Yeah, it should be in there somewhere. I always look forward to seeing the Apple sticker. Charging cable. And 61 watt USB-C charger. Made with recyclable low carbon aluminum, it feels really premium. Still smells apple fresh. Opening up the laptop, powers it on, starts registration process, and see how they do that? It's very efficient. So it's got the backlit Magic Keyboard that is way better than the old butterfly keyboard they had in their previous models. The touch bar, which by the way I think is very useful in so many ways. Make tasks more efficient. The Touch ID sensor for that added security and faster wake up from sleep, unlike when you have to input your password every time. That sucks. An ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts your keyboard and touch bar backlight based on your surrounding light. And yes, oh my goodness, yes, the Force Touch trackpad with precise cursor control and pressure sensing capabilities. Force clicks, accelerators, pressure-sensitive drawing, and multi-touch gestures. You'll almost never want to use an external mouse once you've used this trackpad. The display is a 13.3-inch diagonal LED backlit Retina display with IPS technology, 2560 by 1600 native resolution at 227 pixels per inch, with support for millions of colors. Other supported scaled resolutions are 1680 by 1050, 1440 by 900, and 1024 by 640. Screen brightness is adjustable and has a max 500 nits brightness, which is good for those who need a brighter screen, although I personally prefer my screen to be dim. And True Tone technology that I don't actually use because I do photo and video editing and that will mess up my colors. But yeah, very useful for those who are into 99.9% of word processing work or viewing YouTube videos like this one. The bezels are the same as the previous models. I did hear some rumors about thinner bezels in future models. Who knows? Camera is the same 720p FaceTime HD camera, but improvements have been made for better image and light processing. Very nice. It can only support one external display with up to 6K resolution at 60Hz, though they should be able to increase that in the next gen of M1 chips soon. As for the audio, it's got stereo speakers with high dynamic range, wide stereo sound, and support for Dolby Atmos playback. The sound is amazing. The mic is what they call now studio quality. It's a 3-mic array with directional beamforming. Your voice will now sound clearer and more crisp. Can all now be professional voiceover artists. In a way. Maybe. Battery life on this piece of machine is up to a whopping 17 hours of wireless web and up to 20 hours of movie playback. Twice the number of hours from previous versions, and 3 or 4 times the number of hours compared to gaming laptops. Not that I don't like gaming laptops, but I need the laptop for work and productivity. Gaming can be done on my PC. What is the M1 chip? It's been talked about a lot. Well, it is the first chip designed for Mac, specifically for Mac. Packed with an astonishing 16 billion transistors, the Apple M1 system on chip integrates CPU, GPU, neural engine, input-output, and so much more onto a single tiny chip. With incredible performance, custom technologies, and industry-leading power efficiency, M1 is not just the next step for Mac, it's entirely on a whole new level. Well, that's what they claim. The Macbook Pro 13 with the new M1 chip comes with macOS Big Sur, the most advanced desktop operating system in the world. It introduces a bold new design and major updates to apps, taking macOS to a new level of power and beauty. Now that, partnered with great battery life and faster processing speeds because of the M1 chip, it can offer power, portability, ease of use, and a lot more. The MacBook Pro 13 with the new M1 chip is what I need as my daily work driver. Is this laptop what you need as well? Think about it. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.